Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Honda Accord. First, gather your essential tools, including a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. You will also need new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Prioritize safety by parking your Accord on a level surface, engaging the parking brake, and using sturdy jack stands if you need to lift the car. Briefly warm the engine for about 3 minutes. This helps the old oil flow out more efficiently. Finally, remove the oil filler cap under the hood to allow air to enter, which assists in a quicker drain. Now let's drain the old oil. Position your oil drain pan, ensuring it has at least a 5-quart capacity, directly beneath the oil drain plug. This plug is typically found on the underside of the engine. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully loosen the drain plug, then remove it by hand. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly, as it may be hot. Allow all the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Before reinstalling, inspect the drain plug and replace the crush washer to ensure a tight, leak-free seal. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the filter. Move your drain pan under the oil filter, which is often located near the drain plug. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Clean the engine's oil filter mounting surface thoroughly. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new oil filter until it feels snug. Avoid over-tightening. Finally, using your funnel, add approximately 4 to 5 quarts of new engine oil, checking your owner's manual for the exact amount. For the final steps, reinstall the oil filler cap securely. Start your Honda Accord's engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Then, turn off the engine and wait about 5 minutes, allowing the oil to settle back into the oil pan. Now, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and then check the oil level. It should be between the minimum and maximum marks. Carefully inspect the drain plug and the new oil filter for any signs of leaks. Lastly, remember to properly dispose of the used oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.